everybody, Gabe with Hansshow here. I'm just showing you a couple installs we did for this client. One of them is going to be the 10.25 screen with the front camera. Another thing we did is the swivel mount, which I think is a necessity for Model Ys. We did a full carbon fiber dash replacement. This is not a cap, this is a full carbon fiber dash. So off with the old one, in with the new dash. We did carbon fiber caps on the door here. And lastly, we did a 7.2-inch rear screen. And by the way, the 10.25 actually comes with a front blind spot camera as well. This is going to be your front blind spot camera that pairs with the 10.25. You can also get this with the H6 screen as well. There's a coupon code in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and these are very awesome. Thank you.